Let's talk tech. My name is Ray Cannon, and I'm the Tech Integrationist at New Code Academy, grades K through 8. This week, let's take a couple more minutes to continue our talk about computer science. As we continue Think Like a Computer Scientist Month, you might hear words like algorithms and collaboration and are wondering, what are algorithms? And how do I encourage collaboration in an online school environment? Great questions, by the way. So let's start with algorithms, which means making steps and rules. Kids are surrounded by rules. Rules for home, rules for school, rules for games. But do they ever get the chance to think about why rules are necessary and how rules are created in the first place? In many cases, rules keep us safe, but they also set the parameters for what we can and cannot do. When I've watched children creating playground games, they initially don't want rules, but quickly realize that having rules makes the game more fair and more fun. So, encourage children to be a part of the rule-making process. They will learn the purpose of the rules, and that rules could change as situations change. But algorithms are not just about rules, but steps. They are the steps followed to complete a task. Think about a recipe. The recipe gives you every step needed to complete the dish you want to create. So, cook with your kids. Let them see the importance of the steps and what happens if you skip a step. Build paper airplanes or do origami. Have them follow the directions for the airplane step by step. Then, they could test the airplane to see how well it flies. Of course, you could also have them create their own versions of an airplane and then have them write down the directions for someone else to follow step by step. Next up is collaboration, or working together. Wait, we're in an online school. My student sits alone in front of a computer. How do they learn to collaborate? Well, corporations do it all the time. Product designers meet virtually with manufacturers in other countries to work through the details of the product. For us, we use Google Meets and breakout rooms. Students meet with their classes and work through lessons, learning from and sharing with each other, and then they can go into breakout rooms to practice the skills with other students. Students email each other. They chat each other. Many will use their phones and text each other. So students collaborate more than we ever realize. Any opportunity to put people together and work through a common problem will help them with these collaboration skills, even online. As you may remember, when we ask children to think like a computer scientist, we are not talking about just programming or coding, but a way of thinking. A way of thinking that will help them be successful in whatever job, skill, or talent they wish to pursue. Learning to break down problems in a series of rules and steps helps them become problem solvers. It helps their logical thinking skills that transfer to areas like reading and math. Collaboration is becoming more and more essential as our world grows smaller and smaller. And as they say, two minds are better than one. Join us next week as we complete our Think Like a Computer Scientist series. If you have questions about our computer science program at New Code Academy, you can contact me at rcannon@isd271.org, or you can message me through Seesaw. Just look for Ray Cannon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.